So here we are, the St. Lawrence River skiff, after 4 or 5 months of work, is ready to hit the water. Not much is left of the original. If you recall, there was quite a bit of rot. All the ribs had to be taken out, the decks, the trim. Here we are, completely torn apart. And now here we are, all back together. Trim, mostly mahogany, a little bit of oak on the rub guard. Seats are mahogany as well, with a few pieces of ash inlaid in. Yellow cedar down the center of the deck. The brass stem band is original. Most of the planking is original. However, there were a couple of long planks and a couple of short ones. Mostly the garboard planks along the keel. Floorboards inside, red cedar, Orlock blocks, mahogany. The hull was not originally painted, however, with so many nicks and scratch and dings and dents. The bent coaming at the ends is original, but on the sides is new. All new oak ribs and a nice new set of oars from Barkley Sound Oar and Qualicum Beach. If you've got a wooden boat that needs restoration work, please contact us at orcaboats.ca.